Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. Pierre Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we study an important bacterial disease, malignant edema, commonly occurring in domestic animals. In part 1, we'll study synonyms, introduction, etiology, and epidemiological factors that is important for a clinician. For more videos on veterinary medicine, please visit youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet. Here we discuss important synonym of malignant edema. It is also called as clostridial myonecrosis. Clostridial infection, necrosis of the muscle. The clostridia causes edema and exudation of the subcutaneous and intermuscular connective tissue. The muscle becomes dark brown to black due to necrosis due to Clostridium infection. This is also called as gas gangrene. Local exotoxin produced by Clostridia organism causes excessive inflammation and gas formation, severe edema, necrosis, and gangrene. So it is called as gas gangrene. Friends, here we see introduction or definition of malignant edema. This disease produces acute wound infection. The organism produces toxin. Fatal toxemia causes sudden death. Disease occur usually sporadic and affect individual animals. Susceptible host, all species and all ages of animals are susceptible. Our cattle, sheep and goat are most susceptible. Primary cause is Clostridium septicum, and the important pathology produced is emphysematous and edematous swelling of subcutaneous tissue and muscular tissue. The primary cause is Clostridium septicum, but generally there is mixed wound infection with other many Clostridial species. Clostridium septicum along with Clostridium sovii, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium novii, and Clostridium sordei. It is commonly characterized by acute onset of disease within 6 to 48 hours of infection. Characteristic findings are fever, toxemia, severe inflammation at the place of wound. Characteristic. There is swelling, swelling is hot, edematous, very painful on palpation, and subcutaneous emphysema, production of subcutaneous gas. Etiology of malignant edema. It is caused by mixed clostridial wound infection. Primary cause is Clostridium septicum, along with other Clostridia, Clostridium sovii, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium sordeli, and Clostridium novii infection. This Clostridium septicum is a common inhabitant of soil and produce soil-borne infection. Clostridium septicum is also a normal inhabitant of intestinal contents of animal. Continue with the etiology. The Clostridia organism produce two types of toxins, alpha and beta, and they are responsible for causing all clinical signs and pathology. The virulence factors are produced by organism are hyaluronidase and collagenase. These enzymes secreted by Clostridia organism cause the destruction of tissue and it helps in spreading the infection. So there is huge big edema and gas formation. The Clostridia are anaerobic, gram-positive, rod-shaped, and spore-forming organism. Friends, we discuss here epidemiological factors important for a clinician. Prevalence. Disease is observed as a worldwide distribution in all countries. The susceptible hosts are all ages of animal and all species of animals are susceptible. Our domestic animal, cattle, sheep and goat are also susceptible. Disease generally occur as a sporadic disease, affects a few individual animals. But sometimes occasional outbreaks are also observed where a very common management practices of dealing to a group of animals such as docking, shearing, castration. This causes wound to the animal and causes outbreaks of the disease. Important source of infection. The Clostridium organisms are a common inhabitant of the animal environment. So it is soil-borne disease and intestinal tract of all animals. The spores are very resistant to environmental influences and the infection is persistent in environment that is soil in a native zone for very long periods. Common Clostridia cause of wound infections are the soil-borne infection, get the infection from the soil, and due to unhygienic, dirty atmosphere of the animal. Here we talk about transmission. Mostly, the portal of entry of Clostridium organism is through wound, and most predisposing factor is deep puncture wounds and a severe trauma that results anaerobic condition in the wound. Anaerobic condition is very important and it is favorable for the growth and multiplication of Clostridia organisms. They produce edematous and emphysematous swelling due to that virulence factors and toxin and that results into a disease malignant edema. We know that deep wound, severe injury, anaerobic condition causes the disease. The most frequent causes of wound and infection are accident wound, surgical wound, vaccination puncture, along with the vaccination puncture, there always a mentor, drug injection, intramuscular or venipuncture may also cause introduction of organism into the muscle. Umbilical cord opening in the newborn, that is also a portal of entry and wound infection. For a clinician, important point to note here is intramuscular of injection of drugs causes malignant edema. Even clinician takes strict aseptic technique and precaution. In some cases, occurrence of malignant edema is there. Here, there is a dormant spores of Clostridia species, is there in the normal muscle. especially in horses. Horse is very sensitive. Now, injection of drug produce anaerobic condition in muscles and that activates the Clostridium organism that is lying dormant in the muscles and produce malignant edema. Friends, here we have discussed synonym, introduction, definition, etiology and epidemiology of clinical importance. For watching more videos on veterinary medicine, watch youtube.com Dr. Vet. Share the information to veterinarian and veterinary students. Press like button to promote the channel. Subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.